Hello and happy Wednesday. I am coming to you live from the slightly snowy backyard, and it is actually an unexpected day off for me. I usually work every single Wednesday, but a gal I work with actually offered, yeah, you heard that right, offered to take my shift today. I thought about it for a minute and I was like, you know what? Yes, I would love to have an extra day off right before Christmas to do a little festive shit, and that is exactly what we're going to do. It is about 1 p.m. now. The snow and the ice is finally starting to melt out on the road because I got my car back yesterday after 2 months of not having it. So the last thing I would want to do is crash that baby. So I actually have on the holiday sweatshirt I found a few days ago thrifting. A little Scrooge McDuck action, red oversized snowflakes. It is a little bit big, so I did the old tuck into the bra trick. I never actually said why I'm leaving my house or where I'm going. I'm going to a holiday themed bar in Seattle called Miracle on 2nd Street. Good as new, brand new wheel. This whole side of my car is brand new. Brand new mirror, the door is fixed. Hell yeah! Like they even wiped everything down in here, vacuumed, like it smells like a new car. Yeah, no olives from TPIA motherfucker, and a grandma got run over by a T-Rex. Cheers! Very good. I think mine's raspberry. What's yours? Mike.
Oh, it's going! There we go! Almost!
It's into the ground. It's coming. Come on back up here. Oh, shit. Come back over here.
This is like actually kind of scary.
Send it. Pass it.
Oh, hell yeah!
Not to my house.
Claire, are you okay? No. She's like, no, I'm not okay.
David's got it.
Brendan, not so much.
Brendan?
Oh, look at that, Mr. Tricky.
Watch me.
I am.
What's so busy in life? Why are you falling?
Kai likes it.
Not like that. Oh. No.
Kai.
Hey, Brendan, get it.
2.
Almost. Because he's not being a spaz. Oh. I wish it stayed going a little longer.
Turn around.
Why? Why is it perfectly still?
Turn around. Are you so scared, Claire?
I do. Plus, I don't.
Dude, why did you say you can't buzz? What?
Very beginning of this, there is a
Wait, do you have to undo the bow?
yeah, but
Oh,
let me find. There's a spot where it starts.
you're always out.
Oh, here it is. So it starts, and then you can pull, and you
I don't know, I
can
always do that.
roll it, and it goes in different directions. Sometimes they're short, sometimes they're not.
Sometimes you get a prize.
Sometimes you
Sometimes
don't.
shit.
Sometimes you watch the person right next to you get what you've been trying to get the whole game, and it sucks.
That's me pulling this fish blade.
But
Hey, I told you. The
Loaded
nice.
dice.
The
Loaded
only
dice.
way is
okay,
to
what do
roll
you
once.
have?
Lots of stuff. I don't know.
Ooh, a Grinch can stop it.
Oh,
Snake
Snake
eyes,
eyes.
I told you.
Hey.
getting smaller and smaller by the second.
Yeah. Show it off.
Oh wow.
What did you make?
It could be a rolling pin. It could be a torpedo. It could be an elephant's imagination with legs. This is hand wrap though.
Why did you make that?
I don't fucking know. ADD.
Snake eyes, stop. I told you. Double snake eyes.
I got saran wrap.
Thank you.
I'm coming to
I
you.
got hella beef jerky. That's the good word.
There.
You drink all crazy and stuff.
No. But I wanted to.
Why do you have that? You should
Give me that. Give me that. Give me that.
Spin space.
You'll be able to count. Oh, not on the first try.
He's flinging out all sorts of stuff.
We got cookies.
Oh wait.
Oh my god. Try
Sup? Whose team are you on?
my own team. I'm winning for myself here.
Snake eyes.
Oh, yep.
Wow, the first.
You know you need a straight iron farm.
I'm sorry, Claire.
Oh, no, it's a Dorito. Hey, snake off. That was
cool.
No, it was Steve's points.
On the dice. I agree.
No, that's okay.
Oh, there's money in the middle. Oh,
Sure.
Definitely.
That was a bad throw.
Look at that. It looks so cute.